The day has come. I have a wall of boxes. I've been waiting for this video for a couple of weeks. I wanted to open these boxes with you. Let me move all of these to the side and let's go one by one. Okay, let's begin with this one. It's Ulanzi SD07. I have many of these Ulanzi smartphone holders. I really like them. I broke one of these. This is just basically a smartphone holder with 2 1/4-inch screws and a cold shoe adapter, and that's all. Yeah, let's go with this next one. I know what this is. This is another camera equipment. Again, it is again WeGym slash Ulanzi LS02. It's a desk mounting stand. There are some graphics showcasing how this can be used. By the way, WeGym or Ulanzi is really one of my love brands. I keep buying their stuff. It's high quality and they have always this matte black finish with red details. Yeah, it has this part, which is a clamp, and this side arm. I want to use this here in this part of my setup so that I have this ring light, by the way. This ring light. I am using a foam roller currently to basically hold it like this. But it's like I cannot move it, I cannot angle it, I don't know. Let me install it and see how it goes. I installed it, I broke some sweat, but yeah. So currently I can adjust the angle of the light in a 45 degrees angle, and I can place my phone here or here because I had this Ulanzi tripod and smartphone holder previously too. So now I have this, that, this place, those places. I can shoot myself, record myself from different angles. Let's move to the next box. These are just US plug to European converters from a local brand. I have some equipment that I need to use this kind of an adapter, this kind of a converter. And these were really cheap and I bought, and people in the comments said these are really sturdy. The ones we're currently using, you already know from the waffle maker.
Yeah.
When you plug, it doesn't hold it well. When you kind of move it, it really easily gets out of the plug. But this one, they say, is good. Let's try. Come on. Okay, this is the waffle maker we bought when we were in Houston a couple of months ago. And this is the one we're currently using. See, like, it's really shaky. I found it in the house, but it doesn't hold well. See? Now, moment of truth. Okay, I cannot plug it in. No, it's because I kind of bent the US plug so that it fits better, it holds better. But now, after maybe making it straight again, no, it's not working. I messed it up. This is okay.
Yeah.
Okay, it worked. It worked. I think it's because I kind of bent. Or let's try another one. Maybe that one is faulty. I don't
You
know.
shouldn't open it so we can return it.
Yeah, it was. They were really cheap. They were really cheap.
way.
Let's try this one.
It's not working at all.
Oh my. The comments were really good with this one. Am I doing something wrong? Should fit in here, right? This is such a failure. Okay. But like, yeah, okay, it's hard to plug, but the point is you shouldn't plug this one in and out all the time. Yeah.
So it's
Yeah.
to
Yeah, it's really hard. Yeah. Now,
no, right now, yeah.
Yeah,
it
this-
belongs to it.
yeah, it belongs to this nasty $10 waffle maker. Okay, so we have other things in here. So Ugreen cable organizer 2-pack black. You should have already known that I have a serious cable management problem. If you kinda show this part, show this part, please. I can take the camera. Like, see this huge mess everywhere. Cables are everywhere. Basically, I try to manage, but it's still, especially this part where I need to kind of charge and power many things. I think, yeah, one of the US plugs converters are here, so I need to change that one too. But anyways, I have a cable management issue, and I bought these Ugreen cable organizers to kind of fix some of the problems. It comes with 3M stickers, two-way stickers, so that the idea is you plug it here, let's say, and if you have USB cable or something dangling, you can fix the point so that it kind of keeps it in the place. So let's see. I don't have an exact plan how to utilize this one or all of these, because I bought many of them. We can use one of these in our car to fix the cable. Our toddler really likes to chew it, maybe to keep it away from him. And this is the same with the first one, I guess.
I think the first one is more useful.
This one?
Yeah.
If you have many chargers cables, and I'm planning to kind of make a charging station, I can use also one of these in that charging station to kind of untangle the cables. But let's see. And now the last thing in this box is again Ulanzi VGym, as you can see. My wife
By the way,
looks concerned.
By the way, we didn't talk about the money.
Yeah.
How much did you spend?
I don't know.
I will be happy if you check.
So, how is this one?
Why do you keep buying those stuff? That makes nonsense.
This is a smartphone / iPad holder. And it has more in it.
It has what?
It has this. Let me show you. You'll like it, believe me. See how sturdy this one is? It's like let me show you here.
Do you really think we need something like that?
Another arm that you can bend from 1, 2, 3 joints. And this is especially useful if you want to make a overhead shot. So let's say this is the camera you're using. It can be an iPad too, iPad holder too. Now I can show something here in this part.
That makes sense.
And if you want to join a conference call, then you can use it as is like this. Or if you want it to hold your iPad, let's try. I'm a bit hesitant with the iPad part. Let's see if it really works. Yeah, it's really good with iPad too. See? And you can rotate it.
Yeah.
And can you see me, by the way?
Yes, I can see, but you need to fix your hair. It's a little
Yeah.
messy.
Thank you for saying that. I guess. Okay, yeah, this is me. I can use it as a board. I can use it to draw something. I can use it when I'm... can you point the camera here? When I'm reading something, if I fix it somewhere here, I haven't decided yet, I can use it as an iPad holder near the book holder. So it looks like here. Yeah. Cool. Let's move to the next box. If you're still watching and haven't liked and subscribed, please do it now. Two different products. Let's begin with this one. This is a cable management kit. I really liked. It's a really minimalistic solution. The cables underneath the desk are a mess. So with this 3M VHBs, very high bond, and with these clips, I want to solve this problem. But it's a bit smaller than I have thought. I hope it holds my power cables. If not, this is not a good investment. Because the idea is to hold the cable like this underneath the desk with the stickers. You kind of fix it like this, and you can move a lot of cables underneath your desk, and it's really minimal. And this is transparent. This is transparent and very small, so the cables would be hidden. The next one is a regular USB-C cable times 2. These are again cheap, and Ugreen brand is really good brand in cables and these kind of accessories. I highly recommend it. And as I said, my baby really likes to bite this stuff. So we need some spare USB-C cables for the car and for everywhere, basically. Yeah. The next one is not an Amazon, a Decathlon box. I was out of protein powder, whey protein. This is for breakfast, and this is for muscles.
Another package just coming.
Okay. Okay, another box. I don't really know what this is. Okay, this is Lego dried flower centerpiece. I have many Legos, as you can see, and I'm thinking of putting this one. Do you know where, honey? I'm planning here.
Yeah,
Yeah, just in front of
that's gonna be
the screen.
Yeah.
So that I can see it all the time, because all of these I don't see all the time, but when I'm using my computer I will see this piece here. But I need to finish that one first. Yeah, that one. Okay, send away the next box. Thank you. This one is out of a local website. It's basically like Bricklink that operates in US. This one is called Setkur Turkish, and it operates in Turkey. I ordered some brown and dark brown cheap Lego pieces to fill up that vase with flowers. I use all of my brown pieces for that, but still I need to fill it up to top to make it look better. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so these are pastel highlighters to highlight my books, and they're supposed to not stain the paper so that when you flip the page, it doesn't kind of look bad on the other side of the page. Let's try, actually. So let me open it. This is a regular photocopy paper. Let me get one of these. The tip is really good. So when you highlight a part, it doesn't look bad on the other side. It's soft. It doesn't drip that much, and the color is good too. So yeah, I think I'm gonna start using this one to highlight my current book. Cool. So let's open this one. I think I also know what is this one too. Yeah, these are bunch of hand masks. I have eczema on my hands, and I need to regularly apply moisturizer and keep it warm and, I don't know, well maintained. So these are for that. These masks, I have been using these masks for so long, and they were on sale, so I bought batch. And is this the last one?
No.
So this is for bathroom. These are pair of shelves. metal shelves to put shampoo and or I don't know, toilet paper or whatever. We've been using these in all around the house, and they're really good. The last two, I like we have broke two of them, so I bought four just in case. I'm gonna install them whenever I feel free. So yeah, you can see, what is this one?
Portable document scanner.
You know, we have to take photos of every bill, every kind of receipt we get. So this is kind of make this process a bit easier. Also, when we want to scan a document, this is really easy to do with this portable scanner. See how small it is. And it is Brother. Brother is one of the best printer scanner brands. So it's not something cheap like in that sense, but it was inexpensive, let's say. Okay, yeah. This is how small it is. This is the knife for comparison, or this is my hand. It's really small. I don't want to plug it in and try just now. It's becoming late, and I may have a review video for these kind of bigger devices, gadgets later. But the idea is it has a continuous scanning mode. It keeps this spinner rolling, and you insert something here and it automatically scans and throw it away. So you can like keep feeding, and then it kind of gathers it here. I think the baby is crying. Yeah. You can check him out. My room is a mess right now. See all this stuff. Now I need to get this one-handed by shooting with the other hand. It's a printer. It's a Brother laser printer. Here the story goes. So I have a barcode printer, but I don't have a laser printer, a regular printer. I had one. It was not a laser jet, it was an inkjet, and the cartridges were kind of getting stuck all the time, drying out, since I don't kind of print that often. And it was my father's, and he left it to me in this house so that I could use it. It was living somewhere around there, but I had to like move it away because I didn't really get it right. I ordered spare cartridges, I changed it, I printed it, was printing good, but then it was old and I needed updated drivers and the cartridge is dry. So I have this printer. It's not a scanner, it's just a printer. The scanner I just showed you. Why do I need a printer? From time to time, print documents. I have a company set up, so I need to kind of print papers, do a lot of document delivery to government offices, or like get them signed from a notary, but blah blah, so many things. And if you go to somewhere to get those kind of credential or like classified documents, private documents printed, the offices, the printout offices would have a copy. The device have a copy, and the email you send them those documents have a copy. So it's not safe, and I hated it last time I was printing a lot of income and expenditure kind of documents in a local print shop. So I said, okay, whatever, it's time for me to get a decent printer. I hope you liked the video, and if you liked, please push the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.